So today I want to talk about the relationship between your mood and your food. There's a huge relationship. The problem is that you never ever want to treat a symptom directly without understanding the underlying cause. And that's the problem in medicine, is they treat all the symptoms. So if you get depression, they're going to treat it. They don't ask why. Anxiety, it's a treatment. There's a lot of pills. There's no profit in curing these. It's all about managing these symptoms. In fact, when you treat the symptom or you diagnose incorrectly, you make the patient worse. That makes sense. Let's talk about this. There's a couple of factors in the relationship between affecting your emotional mood and the food that you eat and other things. Let's talk about nutrition first. You ever hear the concept, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, that might have been true in 1965, but not now. It takes 6 apples a day now to keep the doctor away if you take the apples and shoot them hard enough at the doctor. I'm just kidding, don't do that. But the point is that their soils are so bad right now, you need so much food to achieve the same nutrient levels. In Europe or in Africa, the food nutritional factors are so much more that's why they have good teeth, good bone structure, because they have more nutrition in the soils. So the soils are bad in America, thus the food is empty, so therefore you need to eat even healthier. Let's just take potassium. It's one of the most important minerals in a good, relaxed body, because potassium is a physiological tranquilizer. It calms the nervous system down. And you might say that you eat a banana a day. Well, that's 400 milligrams. You need 4,700 milligrams just to get your minimum. So that would equate to about 7 to 8 to even 10 cups of vegetables or salad every single day. How many cups of vegetables are you eating every day? So potassium is very important for 2 reasons. To calm the heart rate down, because if your potassium's low, your pulse rate's going to go high. Try to sleep with your pulse rate just going boom, 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 boom. It won't let you relax. So potassium is very important to calm the heart down. It's also important to establish good blood sugars and even to help stabilize the sugars so they don't drop down too far. We'll get into that in a second, but I want to just talk about the nutrient factors. B vitamins, especially B1. B vitamins are used up when you're in a stress state. So when you're pushing your body and you're stressed out, you're going to deplete your B vitamins, especially B1 and some of the other ones. When you deplete B vitamins, you become more anxious. You have that internal, that restlessness. Restless leg syndrome, for example, is a B vitamin deficiency. The best source of B vitamin would be nutritional yeast. So go to the health food store, get nutritional yeast, take a teaspoon. I like to put it in plain yogurt, put it in your kale shake, whatever. But those B vitamins are very important to actually calm you down and help you sleep and prevent nightmares as well. But don't buy them from a 1-a-day vitamin. Most of these vitamins out there are synthetic, and you don't want to consume synthetic vitamins. You want them food-based. I have one called Super Nutrients that I use because it has good cognitive function. It's all food-based. There's no synthetics. And you could take probably 3 of those and get enough B vitamins if you wanted to do that. It's called Super Nutrients. Calcium. Calcium is important to help you relax, calm down, and reduce stress. When you're under stress, you deplete your calcium. Calcium goes through you. You don't really absorb it as well. So calcium, the best source is not from a typical 1-a-day or some of the calcium supplements they sell at CVS, because all those are made from calcium carbonate. That's limestone. You'd be better off chewing on the cement outside. And I won't mention any brand names that use calcium carbonate, Centrum Silver. But a lot of these top name brand calciums, they basically use rocks, which don't absorb. So you need a calcium citrate, or have it from cheese, or have it from plain yogurt, something like that.